Welcome to the Chris Review. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing on this Ladyspot premium trimmer. So this is going to be by a company named Manspot, and this is their female version of the trimmer. And so here's what it looks like, and there's the guard on top. And before we take a look at that, let's see what else comes in the box. There's going to be the cable, 2 guard heads, a cleaning brush, and the user guide. So the trimmer is going to be about 5.5 inches, and the head on top comes right off just by pushing these 2 clips out. And the blades are exposed. So this can be replaced with the other ones just like so, and it'll clip onto place just like that. And then this is going to be the 3mm one, and if we want to switch it to the 6, we can just flip it upside down and that one clicks onto place just like so. Now on the front there's going to be one button that's going to be to turn it on, and at the bottom we could see the battery indicator, so it's currently at 2 out of 3. And after using this a while, there's going to be a bunch of hair stuck in here, so it can be cleaned off with a brush, just like so. And some is even going to be inside here, so to remove that, just pull this backwards, and then clean anything that may be in here. And the brush can be cleaned even easier, since this is going to be 2 parts. We're going to have the plastic bit, and then the metal bit here. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Ladyspot Premium Trimmer.